Hello there, this is Rahil from All About Affiliate Marketing, and today's video we'll talk about the affiliate program of adcreative.ai. So let me take you to their website, which is adcreative.ai. For the ones who don't know about them, adcreative.ai is an AI-powered platform that helps businesses create high-performing ad creatives and social media content in just seconds. It generates conversion-focused ads, banners, and visual design to boost engagement and return on investment. Perfect for marketers, agencies, and entrepreneurs, adcreative.ai saves time while delivering professional, data-driven ad design. So what you're waiting for? Come to the website, explore all about them, and see how it works. You can import brand in just a second, select ad type, and generate ads. That's great. And if you want to see the features, you can hover over features and see all these amazing features available through them. And to see the pricing, you can click on pricing. It will take you to this page. You can come to the pricing section here and you can see it starts from $20 a month to $300 a month. Depending on which subscription you choose, you can pay this amount a month to get all these things that you see here. So if you go with the starter plan, you can download 10 ads, you can have one brand integrated, and then you will have access to all these things. And if you go with the professional plan, you get all this plus pro features as well. You can click on it to get more information. So depending on your usage, you can go with any of the plan, but that's not exactly why we're here. If Ad Creative going to help you in your business, in your entrepreneurship, it's great. You can go ahead and you can start using it. But the reason we are here is to earn money from Ad Creative AI. Possible? Why not? As usual, we have to join the affiliate program. We have to start promoting them to our audience, to our traffic. And when we bring sales to them, we will end up getting commission. So who can join the affiliate program of Ad Creative? I didn't find any restrictions at all. So regardless of your country, as an affiliate, you can apply to be part of the affiliate program. To the consumers of which country can you promote at Creative AI to receive commission? No restrictions found there as well. So long as at Creative AI is available to the consumer of any country, you can bring sales to them from the consumer of that country and start earning commission. So let's learn more about their affiliate program. For that, you can come to the footer section. Over here, you can click on affiliate. It will take you to the affiliate program page. Over here, you can learn more about the affiliate program. So you can see here, become an ambassador of adcreative.ai, get your unique link, and start earning up to 40% of the revenue from each user you bring. That's great. And what's more, you will get it for the lifetime. So long as that user of yours that you brought to Ad Creative, they keep on paying to Ad Creative AI, you keep on getting commission, and that is up to 40% of the sale amount that you're bringing through that user, and more, of course. And if you scroll down, you can see even more. So become a proud ambassador of the fastest growing AI platform, get up to 40% of revenue unheard on the market, enjoy the highest conversion rates on the market, and get recurring revenue forever as long as your user stays, as we discussed. Get all the marketing assets you need to make sales, and then get dedicated affiliate support available 7 days a week. And if you scroll down, you can see affiliate tiers. When Ed Creative AI approves your application for the affiliate program, by default, you become a bronze affiliate. As a bronze affiliate, you could get 30% commission on the sale amount. You get access to live dashboard, unique link, and you won't have other things. But as you bring more sales to them, automatically you become a silver affiliate and hence the gold affiliate. And as you can see, silver affiliates earn 35% commission on the sale amount and gold affiliates earn 40% on the sale amount. And to change your tier, you simply have to bring more sales to them. That means if you're bringing them between $0 to $2,000 in a month, then you are a bronze affiliate. If you're bringing $2,000 to $5,000 a month, you become a silver affiliate. And if you're bringing more than $5,000 a month, then you become a gold affiliate. And then depending on your tier, you get all these amazing features of their affiliate program. And then to see how exactly it works, you get your unique affiliate link, you start promoting them, and you can get up to 40% of the revenue from each user forever, as discussed. And then there are FAQs as well. So in case if anything isn't covered in this video, you can always come to this section on the affiliate program page, click on any of these questions and get to know more about their affiliate program. Now, how do you join their affiliate program? For that, let me take you to the website called Partner Stack. What is Partner Stack and what does it have to do with Ad Creative AI? So Partner Stack is one of the top affiliate marketing networks out there. What is an affiliate marketing network? They work as a mediator between brands and affiliates. That means if your affiliates want to join the affiliate program of different brands out there, they have to join the respective affiliate marketing network as an affiliate or publisher. In affiliate marketing, it's common for affiliate network to call affiliates as publishers, so don't get confused. Now, how do you create an affiliate affiliate or rather a publisher account with PartnerStack. For that, you can click on Get Started, which will take you to the section. Over here, you can click on I'm a partner, I want to join programs and earn commission, and then complete the sign up process. Now, I understand the many nuances involved when completing the sign up of any affiliate marketing network, so don't you worry, I got you covered. I recently had created a video on how to create and use PartnerStack affiliate account. You'll find the link in the video description. Simply click on the link, follow the instructions from there, and get yourself a free publisher account of PartnerStack. Once you have an account with them, you can come to the website once again. This time, click on login, enter your credential or complete the authentication, and then it will take you to something called Publisher Dashboard. Now, this is a place where you would be able to find different brands out there, especially software as a service brand. But the focus of the video is at Creative AI. So how do you find them, or how do you find their affiliate program? For that, you can click on Discover Partnerships, which will take you to this page. Over here within the search bar, you can start typing at Creative, and from the drop down, click on the name. And that will take you to their program page. Over here, you can see more information. So you can see here on 30% commission on every transaction plus 2,000 rewards. Now that's great. I'm unfamiliar how exactly you will get this 2,000 rewards, but you can always reach out to them if there's a question you want to ask specifically about it. And with regards to 30% commission, we discussed based on your tier, you would be either part of 35% or 40%, depending whether you are bronze, silver, or gold affiliate. And if you scroll down, you can see application review time less than 2 days. That means you apply to them, you give them up to 2 business days for them to review, and based on your information, your online presence, they could either approve you or reject you. Then free trial for customers, they do not have available. Discounts available, no, it's only available if you are a gold affiliate. Access available, of course, asset mean different kind of tracking links. Then if you click on terms of service, you would be able to see the terms and conditions. You ensure you read it thoroughly so that you have understanding of what they accept and what they don't accept. All right, so you have read it all and you want to apply to them. In that case, you can come here, you can start answering this question. So how did you hear about this program? You can write here through YouTube or through any other way that you have heard of this brand and their affiliate program. What country or regions will you mainly target? So you must be having traffic audience from a specific region, I mean country. You can mention all those countries in here. I'm going to mention my top countries in here. In your case, you can also mention yours. On average, how many visitors or clients do you reach per month? I'm going to go with 5,000 to 20,000. So you can select yours as well. So whatever information you write here, ensure it is accurate per the best of your knowledge, because affiliate program team of Creative AI would review, and if they find any inaccuracy, they might end up rejecting your application. Provide us links to your accounts, pages, websites. Now, wherever you plan to promote at Creative AI and their products, ensure you mention the URLs in here. So I'm going to mention my YouTube channel. In your case, you can mention your any online presence URL in here. Let's say if you got multiple, mention one URL followed by a comma and enter others as well. So this is how you can give multiple website or online presence details. What plan do you have to bring traffic to Act Creative? Write something good about you, basically your business plan, so that they would know how exactly you intend to promote them and why you could be a good fit for their affiliate program. For me, I have already written. I'm just going to copy and paste in here. And once you have answered all these questions, simply click on submit application. What it will do, it will process your application and it will send it to the affiliate program team of Act Creative. They'll see whether you're a good fit for them or not. And based on that, they could give you the approval. And how would you know that you have been approved by them? You'll receive an email, and this is how you would know that you have been approved for the affiliate program. Once you have been approved for the affiliate program, you can come to the dashboard once again, and you would be able to see them under here, your program. So when you click here, you would be able to see them listed here. So for me, I can see them here, but when I click on it, I see your application was received. Assuming you have been approved, you would see something different and you won't see any of these locked. Assuming you have been approved for the affiliate program, what can you do next? So just for the demo purpose, I'm going to show you the affiliate program page of different brands. So at least we get to explore all these options that once you have been approved by at Creative AI, you could use those sections as well. So for that, let me go to switch program, and just for the demo purpose, I'm going to go with Learn Worlds, which will then take me to their affiliate program page. Over here, I can start with summary. So assuming you have been approved by Ad Creative and you're on the affiliate program page of Ad Creative Creative AI, you would be able to see about their summary in here. And if you scroll down, you can see the trends and more details. Of course, your commission rate and your tracking link would be here. So like I can see the tracking link of Learn Worlds. In your case, if you'll be looking at the Ad Creative AI summary page, you would be able to see all those details. And then you can also explore all this different section. This is for performance. We'll talk about it later. But let's say you want to start promoting Ad Creative AI. What can you do? You can click on links. Over here, you would be able to see some already available links. It could be just a normal link. So you see here, something like this, you will also see for Ad Creative AI. You can copy that link and promote Ad Creative AI to your audience, to your traffic. You would also be able to see some other options here. That's highly likely that you might see some banners or other different kind of assets or links. You can explore those as well and start promoting. Just ensure you're promoting Ad Creative AI, not using normal links, but tracking links. You can also create tracking link by clicking on create a custom link. Over here, you can give a link title, link description, write something about the link, and then select the link destination that you might see for Ad Creative AI, and then simply click on create link. This way you can create a different tracking link for different web pages of Ad Creative AI. And if you ever want to reach out to them, you can click on messages for, of course, Ad Creative AI, and you can always initiate a message with them. Like this, you can explore other section, for example, resources and training, to see if there are any resources or training available that you can leverage. You can also click on program settings to make some changes as you see fit. You can also click on customer to see the trend from the customer, like you can filter by status, sign up or paid, or filter by source, lead submission, deal registration. So these details would vary depending on the customer section of which brand you're looking at. All right, so you learn how to apply to the affiliate program and how to get the tracking link, plus some more. The next question arises, where can you promote Ad Creative AI? There are many ways, but still I'm going to cover a few. One way is website. Now, it doesn't matter whatever kind of website you got, so long as you have been approved by Ad Creative AI, you can start promoting them on their website. Maybe choose a homepage, a category page, wherever you feel like is more suited for Ad Creative AI and for your audience and for your traffic. So you can start promoting them there. Blog could be amazing here because blog could allow you to write blog posts about different products available on Ad Creative AI. Maybe choose a product that you like, write a blog post about it, and somewhere within that blog post, add your tracking link. So this way, when people would read your blog post, if they like the product, they can simply click on that product link and you end up getting commission. Third way is social media. Now, I think like social media could be great here because you could create different kind of creatives through social media. You can create videos, reels, posts, and just put your tracking link somewhere in the description or the comments. This way, when your audience, when your traffic would click on those links, as usual, they buy the subscription, you end up getting commission. Fourth way is business services website. Let's say it's an affiliate, you got business services website. I think these websites could be great here because you may create a specific section for tools like Ad Creative AI. This way, when people would come to your website, they'll click on that specific section you have on your website. They would be able to explore all amazing tools like Ad Creative AI. Maybe feature Ad Creative AI on that section of your website. So this could empower people to click on those tracking links, and if they buy the subscription, you will end up getting commission for that. So these are some ways you can promote Ad Creative AI. That's totally up to you. You may use any of these ways or any way that you feel is more suited. Ensure that you're promoting them the right way. All right, so let's say you started bringing sales to them. Where would you see your performance? For that, you can come to the dashboard once again, and you can go to the affiliate program page of Ad Creative AI, and you can click on performance. Over here, you would be able to see the performance of yours. You can scroll down to see click, sign up, paid sign up, revenue, paying commission, and paid commission. So for now, we are looking at Learn Worlds, but assuming you have been approved by Ad Creative AI, you can come to the performance section of Ad Creative AI on Partner Stack, and you would be able to see your performance. For more details, you can click on reporting, which will take you to the section. Within partnership performance, you can use different filters to see your performance. You can also go to link performance to see the performance by links, and you can also go to commission to see your commission. And to receive the commission, you can click on commission tab, which will take you to the section. First, start with the setup withdrawal. Simply click on setup withdrawal, choose any of the payment method. Let's say if you go with direct deposit, you can see the delivery time. So it goes with the PayPal and the Stripe. So depending on which payment method you choose, you can expect the mentioned delivery time and of course the processing fee. Let's say you decided to go with direct deposit, simply click on it and update your banking details after selecting the bank account country. But if you want to go with PayPal, click on PayPal and enter your PayPal email address and confirm it, and that's it, you're done. So this way you can update your payment method. And once you have updated your payment method, you would be able to withdraw the commission that you see in here. To see which commission is waiting for you to withdraw, you can scroll down and from here you can click on commission status and you can go with available to withdraw. So this will show you all the commission that is waiting for you to withdraw, and you can manually initiate the withdrawal from this section. Like this, you can also click on commission status and you can choose different status to see where your commission is. And to learn more about these commission statuses, you can simply click on learn about commission statuses and you would see the definition of each status in here. And all the withdrawals that you have done in the past, you can click on withdrawals, and over here you would be able to see the list of all those withdrawals. Alright, so this is how you find the affiliate program of adcreative AI. You apply to the affiliate program, get the approval, start bringing sales to them, and start earning commission. And this brings us to the end of the video. I hope the video was helpful to you and helped you in learning all about the affiliate program of adcreative AI. For me, if you got any question related to affiliate marketing, or if you want me to create a video like this on the affiliate program of any other brand, do let me know in the comment section and I'll try my best to create a video on them. In the meantime, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and click on the bell icon so that any video I create like this, you get notified for the same. Thanks for watching.